like this one. The ribbon can be thick. It can be also thin. Okay? Huwag kayong gagawa ng ribbon na diretso. Yung, okay, you thin this out, like so. Ay, oo. Yung dadaling na cake. Yung nasa box, tsaka yung nasa plato. Okay. Okay, so like this. Pwede mo itong pang-cut ninyo, no? Ito, like this.
Para may effect ng konti.
Para may effect ng konti. Okay. Okay. Now, Ay! Thank you! Ano? Walang balita!